As you can see, second week SS2 mathematics. Then what are the contents? This is measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency. Whenever we are talking about measure of central tendency, we are focusing on three things. And those things are, we're talking about the mean, we're talking about what? The median, we're talking about what? The mode. These three things is what we use. We refer them as an what? Average. We use them to measure what they call central tendency. Look at this. I said that an average is a value that is typically of a large data set. There are three common averages. There are three common average. One, the mean, the median, and the mode. Each of these averages represents a central value around which the given data are distributed. Therefore, they are often called measure of central tendency. Then, what we have to do now is let us go and look at them one by one. The first one is what? The mean. Look at the mean. The mean, or you call it arithmetic mean, it is the most common kind of average. If there are n numbers in a set, then mean, which is x bar, the symbol is x bar, is equals to sum of the numbers in a set divided by what? N. N stands for the number of elements in that set. Mean, abbreviation now is what? X bar, which is equals to summation. Summation means addition. When you add all of them, you divide it by the what? By their what? Number. Let us look at the example. Look at the example 1. This example is under mean. I said that calculate the mean of 0, 4, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10. Then we have to remember the formula. I said that mean is equals to summation of x all over what? N. What is n? N now stands for number of elements. Each of these is referred to as what? Elements, or s. Then solution, mean x bar is equals to summation of x over what? N. What is summation of x? 0 plus 4, 0 plus 4 plus 7 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Remember what I said, that summation now means addition. Add all this number divided by how many are there? You now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All this number divided by 8. When you add all of them, you have 53. Divided by 8, you have 6.628. This is collected to what? 3 decimal places. You can be told to correct it to a 2 decimal place, which is going to be what? 6.63. 2 decimal place. If it is 1 decimal place, it becomes 6.6. Because this is not up to 5, then it remains what? Seen as 0. Then we have seen the mean. The next one is what? The median. We know median as the middle number. But when a number is given to you, you will not just go and choose the middle number. There's something you need to observe. You need to arrange the number in ascending or what? Descending order. I hope you understood what I mean by ascending and descending. Ascending now means arrangement of number from the smallest to the what? Highest. Descending from the highest to the what? Smallest. Then, median is the middle number in a set of numbers, arranged in order of size. What I mean by size means either in ascending or what? Descending order. Example 2. This example says, find the median of 15, 11, 8, 21, 17, 3, and 8. In this arrangement of number, these numbers are not arranged. So the first thing that you do now is you have to first of all arrange it in ascending or what? Descending order. Then it is arranged in ascending order now, which means starting from the smallest. The smallest number here is 8. No, it's 3. You pick this 3 followed by 8. 8 is how many? 8, 8. Look at it here. Before 11, which is this. After 11, you have 15. Before you have 17 and what? 21. Then you check. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. These numbers are odd number. 1 must appear at the what? 1 must be at the center, because it is an odd number. But when you have it to be an even number, 2 numbers must be at the center. It's going to be summation of that 2 numbers. When you add them together, you divide it by 2. You take the average of the what? 2 numbers at the center. But in this one, this is an odd number, which means 1 number must be at the what? Center. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the number at the center is what? 11. Which means the median, our median is what? 11. The middle number. Then the mode. Mode, as we know, is what? The number with the highest frequency. The number that occurs most. The number that occurs most often in a set of data is referred to as what? Mode. Look at the writing here. The mode of a set of number is the number which appears most often. That is, the number with the greatest or highest frequency is what we call the mode. Let's look at the example. Example 3. Find the mode in all these numbers. Then we check. How many? 0 occurs how many? Only 1. 4 occurs how many? 1. 2 occurs how many? 1. 7 occurs 2. 8, 1, 2, 3. 9, 1, 2. This. So which means our mode is what? 8. Mode is 8 because it has the highest frequency. I'm not talking about the highest number, but I'm talking about the number that occurs most. We have seen that 8 occurs 3 times. That is 8, 8, 8. It is not 10, because 10 is the highest number there, but this is not what we're talking about. We're talking about the number that has the highest frequency. The one that occurs most. 8, 8, 8. So 8 is our what? Mode. Look at this one. This example now is in a table. Example 4 now says, the table below gives the ages of pupils who were born in March. Age in years. Number of pupils. 13, only 1. 14, 4. 15, 2. 16, 2. 17 is what? Is 1. From this, calculate the median, the mean, the median, and the mode. Calculate the mean, the median, and the mode. Then for us to get the what? The median, we use this table. Age, which represents X. F is what? The frequency. Number of times it occurs. Then from this table now, if someone asks you, what is the mode here? Mode is, what is the number with the highest frequency here? The highest frequency here is what? 4. The number that bears that 4 is what? 14. So, in this case, 14 simply means the what? The mode. Because it is one that occurs 4 times. It is the one that has the highest frequency, which is 14. Then, For this mean, this is x. Frequency is what? F. Fx means this times this. 13 times 1 is 13. 14 times 4 is what? 56. 15 times 2 is 30. 16 times is 32. 1 times 17 is what? 17. Then, this is summation. Summation of f now means add all this number, these total frequencies. 1 plus 5, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 4 plus 1, which is what? 10. Then when you add sum of this one, you have 1, 4, 8. Therefore, mean is summation of fx all over summation of f. 148 divided by 10, which is what? 14.8. That is our mean. Then we come to median. Remember I said that median now is, you cannot just pick a number, you must arrange them in what? Ascending or what? Descending order. So, let me show you something here. If you look at this, 13 occurs how many times? 1. Only 13. Here is 14 occurs 4 times. It's going to be 14, 14, 14. 15 is what? 2. 15, 15. 16 is 2. 16, 16. 17 is what? 1. This is what I did here. This is what I did here. This one is 13, 14, 14, 14, 14. 15, 15, 16, 16, and what? 17. If you look at this number now, you count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This, just like I've said, is an even number, which means that 2 numbers must fall at the what? Center. Then, this is 10 in numbers. You start from here, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 2 numbers at the centers are what? 14 and 15. Then this is 14 plus 15, which is 29, divided by what? 2. You find the average of that 2 numbers that happens to be at the center. Then you have 14.5. Then this 14.5 is our what? Median. Then the mode, as I've told you, is the one that occurs what? Most. If you look at, even if you look at here, I see that 14, 14, 14, 14. 14 is the one that occurs 4 times. Then, that is what we called measure of central tendency. I told you that in measure of central tendency, 3 things were involved: the mean, the median, and the what? The mode. Of which I told you that the mean is just summation of a number divided by the number of that set of elements. In that set of elements, the median now is the number at the middle when you must have arranged them in what? Ascending or what? Descending order. Remember that when the number is an even number, 2 numbers must fall at the center. So in that case, you take the average of the 2 numbers at the center. But once it is an odd number, 1 number must fall at the center. You now pick that one. Lastly, mode is the number that occurs most, or the number with the highest frequency. This is very simple. Visit your mathematics textbooks at home. Read it. Solve exercises on it, and it will be very, very, very easy for you. So I thank you for listening. If you have any question, forward it. Thank you.
Great and glorious and power.